For 1,000 years, Southern California has been holding its breath. Today, deep beneath Los Angeles, the San Andreas and its neighbor the San Jacinto are under more strain than at any time in that long history. The model puts the San Jacinto at its highest stress ever recorded, with the San Andreas right beside it, also near its peak. They meet at Tejon Pass, a narrow geologic gate. Sometimes the gate holds, and a quake stops like it did in 857. Sometimes the gate opens, and the rupture jumps across both faults like it did indeed in 1812. Right now, both sides of that gate are loaded together, a setup the Earth has not seen in centuries. This is not a prediction of when. It is a snapshot of how ready the system is today. The big one has not moved closer on the calendar. It has moved closer in physics.